Grandma's hands were soft with soil, sunlight on the rose. She'd show me how the bulbs were planted and how the lilies grow. Every flower has a story, every seed a plan. A little boy just watched and listened with dirt upon his hands. In Grandma's garden time stood still, petals dancing on the hill. Little lessons in the springtime air. Love was growing everywhere. From her hands into my soul, those roots run deeper than I know. And every flower that I see still brings Grandma back to me. Dad was working in the garden, turning rows of earth, tomatoes, beans, and summer corn, teaching what things were worth. Take your time and watch them grow, give them sun and rain. I didn't know those quiet days would never come again. In Grandma's garden time stood still, petals dancing on the hill. Little lessons in the springtime air. Love was growing everywhere. From her hands into my soul, those roots run deeper than I know. And every flower that I see still brings Grandma back to me. Swamp out front with frogs at night, tall woods whispering in the breeze. Not far down the winding road, the wide blue waters of Lake Ontario. A little boy learning slowly what the living world could be. Grandma left when I was 11, but the seeds she planted stayed in every tree, in every garden, in every path I've made. In Grandma's garden love remains, blooming through the years and rains. Every row and every tree still holds her memory. From her hands into my soul, those roots run deeper than I know. And every flower that I see still brings Grandma back to me. Yeah, the soil remembers everything she showed to me.